Hi crafty friends! Today we're making a stunning mountain scene wall art piece using our DIY mountain scene wood puzzle kit. Inside your kit you'll find a wood backing, laser cut mountain puzzle pieces, Mod Podge, paints, and paintbrushes. This kit has everything you need. Start by painting your puzzle pieces any way you'd like. We encourage crafters to select colors that fit their style. Let them dry for 10 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to prep our frame. Brush an even coat of Mod Podge over the wood backing. This helps your puzzle pieces stick firmly. It's time to put our puzzle together. Arrange your painted puzzle pieces onto the tacky surface. If needed, brush an additional thin coat of Mod Podge over the back of the puzzle pieces, and press each piece down gently to secure. Brush another thin coat of Mod Podge over the entire design to seal and protect your artwork, and let it dry fully. And that's it! Your DIY mountain scene wall art puzzle is complete. Thanks for crafting with us. Share your creation and tag us at Crazy Craft Creations. We love to see what our fellow crafters create. If you loved this DIY kit, you can find more like this one on our website at www.crazycraftcreations.com. Happy crafting!